pedigree analysis, and we have seen autosomal dominant inheritance and autosomal recessive inheritance, isn't it? So today we'll see allosomal X chromosome dominant and X chromosome recessive and Y chromosomal inheritance. See, XX is female, XY is male. So if both are functional, no problem. What you get? XX, which is female, XY, which is male, XX female, and XY male. So here, because it is allosomal, we have to mention the offspring, male or female. Because every time you have 50% chances of male, 50% chances of female. So in the result that we are going to write, you have to write in terms of male or female. Earlier, it is not very important to mention male or female, but now for allosomes, it is important to mention male or female. So here 100% of female are healthy, 100% of male are healthy, because both parents are healthy. Now in male and female, in male you have only one X chromosome, and in female you have two X chromosomes, isn't it? Now these are two X chromosomes. Consider that these are two X chromosomes. Here you have X chromosome and Y chromosome. X chromosomes here depends whether the defective one is dominant or recessive. Here it does not matter, because even only one X chromosome, if that X is defective, it is expressed. Here it depends on whether it is dominant or recessive. You get it? Remember. So these are some basic aspects that you need to know, that here you have two X chromosomes, here only one X chromosome. These X chromosomes, or the X chromosome which is defective, it is either dominant or recessive. If it is recessive, both genes are required. If it is dominant, one is required. Here it doesn't matter if that X is dominant or recessive. If the genes on this X are defective, inevitably expressed genes. So that is the thing which you have to understand, because there are no complementary genes on Y, because this Y is 5 times shorter than X, isn't it? So this is some basic thing. If you want to write, you can write.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by NP Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajink Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.